Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, ah. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Mema ankrankra bia akwaba eba yedwumedia. Edu efiada bia yede ba makwan. Enen so adom kese efri otwede ampo kokroko na senenti no. Enen so ache yenkwa, wache ya hoden na yemfa sa yedwumedie ensambre makwan. Me gidi se wa wo hwe me, wa wo tie me. Wa wo te me ho mframa no pe wo ho ye na ahoden wo hode a ene mesre we ni die mo beka ye ho na yemfa dwumedie enko ewie ye pa. Yo, mediani manye na ten. Professor starting Fred dada. Mediani manye na te utumi frɛ manye ti meje oso ana manye te meje oso dwumedie edu Friday bia ye ho akeka ehumɔbɔ a ye wo ma community ni sɛ ba ni legal education ana sɛ mra ho nsɛm no yenya abadae soronko yenya passion soronko sɛ ye di sa dwumedie bɛba enti sɛ wo hwɛ me a onto mra wo hwɛ me a wo right place anope sɛ wo bɛhwɛ na wetie na wo nso wodi bi ahyɛ wo kotokom na wode ato ho abɔ wo bra ye ka BWF Solicitors a menya omo penin baako a mene ne bedi dwumain ye ba no BWF Solicitors mo a na e kyerɛ sɛ omo ye lawyers a omo dem soronko kra wo kromo ha eye UK abonten so enye UK ha nkoa na omo di omo asɛm ukɔ Ghana nso a BWF Solicitors esan wo ho nti ye ka emransɛm a omo di a ene omo di akotene pa wo mo denden a na ye ka immigration ho nsɛm ana sɛ family law ho nsɛm ene de pemu mpanimfo ankasa agye atomo sɛ ye can't family law any immigration BWF Solicitors de omodamu number 1 nanso enye no nkwampo no mudi ho dwuma sanso na ye ko litigation ni mitigation say dwuma mu mra ene ade anase family law a wo ye nkrom Ghanaian law ankasa nso na chese omoye ho ade papa se ye kyerɛkyerɛ a ye nyanwie na megye se wa wo hwɛ mi unim ye can BWF Solicitors ene eye me de se menya ye papa lawyer Charles Asmah na ye ba bedi ho nkomo na mmom menka mma me kasa nche meba sisi a metwa me ho sema pe me ba ya na edi dwumedie no hye ase meba sisi a.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Yo, mesama mo nyina akwa ba biom eba ye dwumadie so. Ena me hoye me de papa me ka se me hoye me da na kire se nsema ye ba bedi no ewrewra me nte ye me de sa na me pa kire. Me gire se wo a wo hwe me won so sa na nsem na ye ba be fiti mo ebekọ yi e de ama. Nkankan yen student e wo krom na mmom ansa na metsi edwumadi a ye bedi ne ne anase botai a ye wo ene ana heading ana yen topic ana yen title a ye wo ena ye pese ye pensem mo mema akonya na ye lawyer penny abedinchia e de abre etiefo ne ahwefo wa say hello to everyone na afide yewie ya na me de mensem aba bitu janti lawyer Asmah mpacho mama akwaba e ba ye dwumedie ne so se mental voice
Ye nua na apomo e
adom nko a papa me ho ye pacho se won so ho ye de
emi adom pa
de nyame ase we de me tuma etiefo na ahwefo ehwe
yo etiefo na ahwefo ende efiada anopenso ye de ncha kase ebreo efi BWF Solicitors asoye ene efidie so ende so ye besua ade ye chia obi biara bebi a wo bia bomoden na tweden ni nsua ade embom na ye insura ema afoforo. Once again, good morning.
Yo, lawyers they so ma asɛm yɛ tie sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛte nsɛm no kukuruwa na wokɔ w'anim. Yo, lawyers ma yɛbɛda wase saa nso na mohwɛ yɛ nuaba lawyer ketewa Deborah ɔno nso ɛwɔ ha yɛbɛ abɛwie no ɔno de pɔtɔ kasa bɛba abɛkyerɛ ne sima the main topic we have for today, no, she will come and explain it in the English version for us and for other nations. Almost share no, and also mention so me say hello to Lawyer Deborah. Me did say what's a menka na yedi edumedie no ebe shas ye no oduado for pen paper where there you go school. Me did say you go school. Say ni etie ne say sɛ woba kurom ha wɔn ho dodoɔ na ɛba sɛ ɔmo be school. In fact ɛbɛyɛ just na wɔtwe mu a student a contact me about ɔmo finances sɛnea ɔmo betumi otua ɔmo school fees na ebi mo ntumi ntua ne ade no honestly ɛdɔɔso yie na mmom megye de sɛnea kurom ha mmara ne teɛ no ɛnyɛ obi biara na obetumi enya saa student finance sɛ ɔmbɛbɛboa no na ɔntumi ntua ne school fees sɛ wote kurom ha nko na wowɔ asetena a ɛdi mu ɛwɔ kurom ha de a sɛ wokɔ school a why not aban no ɔmo abadae baako a wɔho no sɛ ɔmbɛhwɛ wo kwan biara so sɛ wonni sika a ɔmbɛma wo sika de ato koto kurom de atwa wo fɛ obi bɛsɛ maintenance asan de tua wo school fees sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wowie school na wetumi abɛte nkete na wetua aka na kyerɛ sɛ aban a ɔdwen ne mma ho na ɔpɛ sɛ obiara tumi kɔ further education ana higher education nti no ɔto ho anamon sɛ wontumi koraa no wode akosua bibi kakra na ɔbɛboa wo na saa adeɛ yi obi bɛsie ɛnyɛ obiara na ɛsɔ ne so adom deɛ ba ebi mo nya adom no ebi mo nso nya na woka ɔmo ɔmbɛnya na ɔmo nka na mpo sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu dodoɔ na ɔmbɛnya saa adom a yɛtumi finance ɔmo to through their school education no woka ho a na yɛbɛbisa ho nsɛm na yɛhu kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi enya na yɛtumi de ato anamon wabɛtena kurom ha ɛyɛ sɛ woyɛ EU descendant anaasɛ dependent anaasɛ woyɛ British descendant anaasɛ dependent biara no ne nyinaa akwanya wɔ hɔ na mmom saa akwanya no ɛno ne ɛba abɛhwehwɛ mu yɛba apɛ pɛnsɛn mu wabɛtena ha wadi bɛyɛ sɛ mfeɛ mmiɛnsa wabɔ adwuma kyerɛ sɛ wo nso so contribute to the economy of the nation nti no kwan bi so no wobɛbisa ho na me nso mebɛkɔ school yɛbɛboa me kwan bi so anaa yo ɛnɛ yɛnya lawyer Charles Asmah yeah Uncle Ben can say fancy progress just for a laugh yo ɛnɛ yɛnya lawyer papa bi a ɔne ɛba bɛdi nkitahui yɛbɛbisabisa no questions kakra na me main topic ne patre say do I qualify for student finance and how do I appeal if my application is being refused na kyerɛ sɛ kwan bia so no dodoɔ na to me apply nanso yɛse yɛ mamo who apply yɛsi yɛ ma obi kura to me apply 4-5 times ne nyinaa yɛsi yɛ ma ho na yɛ ma no deɛ nti na yɛ ma wo so nim sɛ nyame adom wanya nkrata wanya ntaba a yɛtumi de tu wanya na yɛtumi de pimpim hɔ a wo so kɔ school no bi ankɛyɛ na afei wa wo kɔ school yɛka university yɛka ne sɛ fees a enda form krakrakrakra ne bo odi yie na mmom yɛbɛboa wo afei boa na wo so kɔ akɔgye no yɛse wo qualify na wo qualify ebia wo feel say wo qualify wakɔ apply afɛ de yɛsi yɛ ma wo sɛ we de nka yɛ asɛm kɛseɛ na mmom yɛbɛkyerɛ wo kwan ne nti ne bisa ho first of all do I qualify sɛ wo qualify a ɛne yɛ adom na mmom sɛ wan qualify na sɛ wa trɔ ana wa apply na yɛsi yɛ ma wo a ɛno nso adɛn nti na yɛ ma wo nti ɛnɛ lawyer Asmah me gye di sɛ me sa to afrɛ wo nsa biom na yen bɛhyɛ student finance ne kura nkasa ɛno kura ne den minim sɛ maka student finance is two words but student finance no batwa ɛyɛ den ɛna hwanom na ɔmotumi ma saa student finance foi
yo edase bebre na etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ student finance a yɛka ho asɛmi sɛnea brɔfo no ɛkyerɛ no ɛyɛ sika aban de beso wasen na wode atua wo school fees sɛ wo kɔ school ɛwɔ English abrochi memu anase in the UK na we no aban agency na wahyehyɛ saa dwumadie no a from Student Finance England na near TN senior enemy I see England, not just say covers those resident in England. Now because government agency as I say nipa no and I say nya okopemboa no omiti criteria and I say eligibility. Na ene nkomo no a yebedi no si ebema yehu se edikan wo qualify ana na eto aso mienu se wo qualify a na se kase yemfa ma wo a then na wo beye afa ho in terms of appeal enti ene nkomo no sa na etie.
Yo, Asmah me da ase. Eno ano no sikasɛm de ye ba ne sikasɛm ana me tia em kakraka nta me kan sɛ ɛyɛ me de bebree. Na afei nso eba school enimdi ana sɛ adesua no ɛno nso ɛyɛ me de. Ɛyɛ ana teachers wo sɛ bi mu pɛ sɛ ɔmo sua ade a na ɛyɛ yɛn de too much because e gidi sɛ one way or the other no adesua na wo sua de kɔ enim a ɛboa okwan bi so ma wo mbrɛ bebree ɛmfa ɛnyɛ adwuma wonyɛ adwuma nso onyɛ adwuma pa na afei no w'adwuma yɔ no atua wo ka nti no school de ɛyɛ okwan biara so school ɛyɛ nti lawyers mo wakyerɛkyerɛ mu adekode ɛyɛ student finance a wakyerɛ sɛ company bi ɛna ɛbɛma nti no menya student finance and I qualify for student finance hwan na qualify for student finance.
Yo, enti embra no ekyerɛ mu sɛ nyoma mienu na nipa no ɛsɛ otumi ɛma edi adanseɛ. Edi kan no yɛfrɛ no residence test anase criteria no na ne ɛto aso no ɛyɛ nationality. Ne yɛka nationality a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ obi a ɔyɛ British ni anase obi a okuta indefinite leave to remain anaasɛ obi a ɔwɔ EU ofi EU ase nti ofi EU ase nso ɔyɛ EU ni anaasɛ ɔyɛ EU family member okuta pre-settled anaasɛ settled, those concessions are there for saa nkrɔfoɔ no na wenya ɛno awie no ɛna yɛbɛbisa wo sɛ na wo koraa no watena krom ha how many years up to saa point na wopɛ sɛ wokɔgye mboa no nti na ɛsɛ wotena ha 3 years to the time where yes our application. In this application, no, for example, and the back kind akweyechi. So what's now chromo how many years? Do 3 years there, and they wa pass it residence test no. So you do 3 years there, naturally say won't pass it residence test no. Residence test there doesn't really matter. So we or a cromini and also we or wa qualify under the nationality criteria no. Cover obia.
Yo, na de ye kono say ase de be ya mo beti ase na ye be wie no enche bia na ye be wie mpensempense mo no mema akonya wo question bia opese obisa no lo Asmah be yi wa no embi mpo a na enche da emfa student finance ba akonya wo ho ba mesre mo a mo frɛ me no mo ntwen na yenwie ansana give us the next 20 minutes ne be pense mo after that no maybe telephone lines no e de atum na wetumi ebisa ho asem lawyers ma me da asese ne wacheche mu say dodo na omo to me qualify no obi na che say we one we British na resident test no na che say uti kroma we residence o kroma na we resident o kroma we hwan na just say we British utumi qualify for student finance so na indefinite leave to remain and so you can qualify for student finance so na ucheche mu eba EU4 no ye free enam Brexit no or say utumi nya settle status no and say even say pre-settle mpo or say unya na afenso no dodo na yes watna krom ha wa ye adwuma e kire say say adwuma no so count towards your qualification to get the student finance na just say or say yeah from 3 years going you know ye to me establish sa na say ye beko ye name na ye bisa enti sisi ano watre me sa anyoma nyina metumi egina so say me nso metumi qualify to get the student finance no answer na meba baby ebe refuse na how to appeal no school no yenim say school kone de your further education, higher education, even pokra your secondary school education. I name say secondary school education there, ja, and your banana ato emra intino unko G finance to go. But then when it comes to further education, any higher education, let's just say college, any university, there be. Enti eno sano say afei na uko mbia uko college ana uko university a or say who apply sa your finance the start of the education and I say wakwa kopim na won sa fe de wontumi entua school fees ni biom ansa na oba be say yes application ya na mpacho.
Yo, near woman say, in terms of school buying, now be to me they are qualify no. You share age no. Until you call your college, more college. Now more college, 19 plus for no, as I say, more to fees. Because say woko school we with GCSE and that's a secondary school education no we enter college. As I want enter college now say wundi 19 years there. As I said, more or less wundi 19 years and no you na most of the colleges and I say six form colleges or measure na wenya sa akwenya no free to continue your education. Now, so within 19 years per year, naturally say why higher adult of a sort, even though 18 years and so you're adult, 19 a adult proper. In that case, you better say 19 years now, we your college education, who qualify and that's won't qualify. And I buy air can say 19 years, as I say, why would you fees? Our college now will depend on the college processes, but the college in the case as I say, would you there? Will be to me I qualify for student finance. Any of 19 plus student finance, will be so more or your college or your pre tertiary or pre-university course or pre higher education course. So our pre-higher education course not just our college, they will prepare our university. In this 1 year gap, no, they will prepare our university. No. And also, no, so to me, which me akwadane student finance for a more no loan. And I will almost so a more year higher national diploma, ni higher national certificate, HNC, HND courses. Some conforms so qualify for student loan. Near one conforms so a more undergraduate course, and it's a degree course, first degree. Also no qualify. Near one conforms so a more master's degree courses, and also a more qualify. Near one conforms so a more post and that's a doctoral courses, doctorate, and also all qualify because there's doctorate provision for no. But name no as I say academic qualification. Academic qualification. Take a say we have professional qualification, say accountancy, say law, say insurance, say actuarial science, say investment, say whatever, say professional qualification and you don't qualify for student finance because I don't know by choice. But say academic and be it masters, undergraduate, post doctorate, and now said HND, HNC, academic and will qualify. Share one and so.
You last mame das yeka academic ni yeka say professional ya na nkrofo bebre confused e wo ho no professional bodies ne de omunim and as a professional courses no dodo no ebi nso nim ene de wo de ye mpapa mu batem when wo ye course na obi ti say wo koye accounting field na munim mu kind of way amoye no eno sa no professional way na say ba wo ye course no do that professional level no now we are college there because we have some few basic ones what can academic way no ho and no there and no nye professional fundamentals one and no there I mean just say nye profession kwa there but you can count towards that kind of profession, you know, and not just want to mean ye university. Yo, last ma me da se wa cheche mu wo hete for say afen wa beto ya ye kan ye di nkomo me ni BWF Solicitors or more lawyer ba ko lawyer Charles Asmah di nkomo about student finance, how to me qualify for it na say who bisa who say who qualify so na ebia wa apply for na we nya kwan ben so na ubebisa ube appeal nti before ye be apply mpo na ye nya no ye nhwe time of application meaning say obi e ko school asisi in this case mefa ye kan say university for there no omo there na ye na ye more ye kan say popular kakra wo ko university ye popular kakra nti yem ba this time yenim say sisi academic we no time no trimester no end from May na say mo ba be ko university from September no this is the time applications me who say bi mo ye dodo na, especially if you are in the mainstream offices form there you know the process, but whereby embia o enye sis form we adult dada nti no also person koye addition around September intake na lawyer Asmah time being appropriate now say we yes application and sanampo ama accept your application time or when say you can apply anytime at all pacho.
Yo, obi a person call university and I saw your program, you know, say your college and I say university, you know, we know. And then signing person himself, I saw yes, sir, what you sign a mono. Until I any application, Emma, when you're admission. Until when you're admission, then you can apply.
Okay.
So I wouldn't say there's one date for every university or every course. It depends. Nti wodi a wobenya no say January, say April, say October, September, October, it depends. So there's no hard and fast rule on the date. All it is in say once you make your application, because you know you'll be going to pursue the course, you wait for your admission. Once the admission is given, be it conditional offer or unconditional offer. Conditional offer meaning that you have to meet certain conditions, not about how you are going to pay, but the
Okay.
entry requirements that you need to meet. Or if it is unconditional, it means everything is already met and therefore you just wait and start. In that case, once you are given the admission, you have to think about how to pay. If you don't have, so who need or personal sika would be to there. And one now make sure say uber approach student finance for na work online now why your application, you know, now what the amount.
Oh, okay. Yo, when the obviously what ya asem no crave man, no ye conditional offer ni unconditional offer no. Say mbia we nya unconditional offer ndi onim say we meet criteria ni nyina, but conditional offer na I thought say mbia it will affect the financial aspect of it. But wanya achiche media me da say ye be ye nim na ye nsa na ye be ye nim dodo na aba ahoma ne so nyame nhira mo ne mo do a mo kire wo platform ne so me kasa me budin a dosi ye but mebo kakra bi Sandra Fraser or say good morning lawyer Asmah Sandra ye jewo so why ade anope bia o twense ne be ya obehye e de amaye na odi information about the law firm BWF Solicitors na odi gu so fefefe e de amaye Margaret Edu Mensa so de about say free legal advice one mp we wo kwa tena lawyer nim no wenti akra 50 quid ubeti ansa na wakotena lawyer ni nanso aha de eba eyi free bonto no asa wo befre na webisa wo nsem a how yi na ya cheche mu yetumi cheche mu to the extent say wo hia lawyer bobium na afi wa wo de ato anamo mpe we enti mon share tileduma na na agiman mon share program no na enkwe nim dodo na abaso nyina nya men hira mo na yebekɔ ni bisa me next question lawyer Asmah banisika de na me ne agio no ma no so den because eja obekɔ school obeye adwuma o ne nyina sikasɛm na oye adwuma na odi kɔ school na sika na odi hwa wo say tie school fees na say dey tia rent na na enda for me to me drain wa to the extent say wa adom enti se wo kwenye bi a wobetumi akɔgye kakra wa ban ho na wode tua fi no na nka agya usua de na wasom adwo na se adwuma no kra ye ne part-time nketenkete a na eno nso aboa wa na ukɔ enim enti sisi ano se wo ye full-time job na woko apply for part-time course academic course no still to me qualify for student finance na
You say, of course now we no as a full-time course. There is what we call intensity level. Intensity level no na here. Na sa intensity level no say bia courses no bi ma enhye da enye part time no no so enye full time. Nti bia wo hwe mu a it's about 60% intensity. And bia wo be call 3 days a week. And that's 4 days a week. Yes, we every day. Our credit test will cover for the duration of your program. No more breaking it down. Acquire every week. And tisana tia dia. Nipa ne dia no yakaka bomu a na say emiti intensity level no dia. So intensity level no dia dia say wo ha wo say what is intensity level na me dia na intensity ana. O ya application o maka kire say a part-time and I say a full-time. So a full-time there we meet it. Now a part-time so we meet it because student finance most and but what it is in say some of the universities even though part-time to me a setting up I'm away to me a meet intensity level I'm away to me any loan aspect. Now loan no ya wo mumienu ya wo ne would be your school fees and then ya would be GD. Nti na wo your school fees in there aya na emfa ho say aya part time and that's a full time. Na wo de bedidi no na sa wo ya part time there na kire say wo ye adwuma nti na wonya kwan enye enko school no full time. So wo ye adwuma there aya wontumi emiti loan no aya de ba ma wo ma wo de bedidi no. But na wo de your school fees there whether part time or full time no wo betumi enya.
Okay. Wow. Yes, need be did no na your friend maintenance grant na say grant
Maintenance loan.
maintenance.
Yeah, grant there yeah na you free won't you back. It depends on the pending situation. But maintenance loan no as I say with your back. Into yeah they count with school fees no and I say tuition loan no now with you on the back.
Yo last man me dance obi say obekọ school ni sa o wie da because obeji loan ni sa nti na all kasa me my dey na me tie no menim ne all pa kire nti me mbisa wo call first year what the student finance o dey ahwe ho an bia year no course na 3 years first degree we ye no ubeye adwuma bia 1 month 2 months and I said that year and I said month na to the next academic year no asa apply for another school biom no asa akɔgye loan ni biom sa no say a master programmer ye be ma and I say eno nso we bia we hu degree na we ye no wasesa wa adwo si da bi degree we kura nye no na mehwehwɛ me sa akɔyɛ another first degree another degree biom na me sa akɔgye sa sika biom akwanya bi sa wo ho ana se bibi se ne ho se wobetumi agye ne mprenu ana mprensa edit to so I know say bia first degree masters and PhD or research or whatever no bia na akwanya bi wo ho but say wo gye ne mienu sa na bibi sa wo ho ana
You near a woman say your mark for first degree.
okay
And it doesn't really matter baby I win your first degree if year.
okay
It is not a first degree in Quadia, yeah, ma another student loan for first degree. Because when you say by UK, they don't really fancy many academic qualifications. Degree in this, double degree, triple degree, and whatever. They don't fancy that. It's what you do with a degree. And when you walk back one, that's what they believe in. And a baby, so it doesn't matter. And just when your qualification, degree qualification from abroad, now over apply, maybe say will be the dana. So will be the want to me NG support to study again. Then you have to do it yourself. But so we progress it to the next level of academic studies there. Applying So be a okuta first degree. Now who person we masters. A
Uh-huh.
quite job for sa master's level qualification. Who are
Okay.
masters now person we PhD and I say any form of doctoral degree and also no so akwanya ewo ho ema saa nkrofo no. Nti
Mm.
yehwe mu a three opportunities.
Mm.
First degree, for second degree, for third degree. Obi mo best started from HND and even access course. Nti bi anipa no oko 19 plus. Okoye course 19 plus or G loan. Owieye okoye access or G loan. Owieye okoye degree or G loan. Even that it be on the qualify HND, HNC or G loan. Owieye or the koye no masters, okoye the PhD. So you can see say a progression. But so be a obaka say, oh, me san kwaya foforo because back na me no me ninje ho, and then you have to pay for it yourself because at the same level. And any idea as I say, you share course levels no ho.
Yo, lawyer Asmah, sa, minim sa na deɛ waka sɛ different level and deɛ na akwa na ɔka sɛ ɔbɛkɔ school no saa to qualification bi ɛno hɔ biom na wagye no. All because ɔpɛ sɛ ɔgye student finance saa na ɔmfa mbɔ ne bra. Yo, minim sɛ nkyerɛkyerɛmu wɔ hɔ. Afei yɛmba yɛn next questions ne so. Lawyer Asmah, sisi ano ma qualify ma apply for the finance na yenim say student finance company for me application me a me gye to mu say me qualify because nyoma a wokyerɛ from beginning no me nya resident test no me twa me nationality no nso me twa number of years a me di wɔ kurom a nso me twa bi a sɛ college kra dia you can say 19-year plus. Oh, no, friend, woman, me 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 19-year plus, no, me try. Na afe my year application, me did say, ade a mabubo su ye, mema make a qualify. And so no, ye say, ya eden, ya mame, Embia na bibi kakra bi a mentumi ayɛ nti na yɛntumi ama me yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu na yɛama me a na sɛ yɛ refuse me adeɛ yi kwan bɛn so mpo ɛna metumi egyina nti ɛdeɛ na ɛbɛba ansa na yɛbɛ refuse obi application na afei nso wogye de sɛ wotwa bibia wotiki all the checks na afei nso yɛ refuse a kwan bɛn so na wobɛfa na wode apele saa decision no mpatwɛ wadaroma.
Yo, that's it, bebre. Now, a woman no nyoma mienu, and necessary no enso. Edi kan say nipa no meet residence test. Residence test say 3 years up to the date of your application for student finance support. Nti say be a your application and then 19th of May 2023. Ya kan kwa yechi a 2022, 2021, 2020. International say by 19th of May 2020 no, and I say even before that no, nipa no sorti UK. So now nipa no nti UK dia, just say went na ho 3 years before I obey your application no, or up to the time I obey your application no. Obi o ma wabetene mu a na wasan ekọ akwetena bebia na wasan aba na eno no. Don't say yeah, under the habitual residence no, you should be living in the UK 6 months plus at least. Until if you are living here ordinarily there, but so wukọ na waba, of course wukọ nso any sa wuche bebre wukọ na wukọ 6 months ebro baby na wo ba dia na just won shada enti ha nti omo de san yoma nyina atoto ho to see say wono wote ha anasa wonte ha sa wote ha dia and yen check say 3 years no before your application no na wo ha anasa wo on the foforo eso and then point number 1 nti sa nimpa no ye na application na omo check date no na omo hu say in do 3 years dia omo be refuse no because one pass residence test no and the next one no say nimpa no obemiti nationality test. Na nationality test no say why application you be say na okra no status at the same. Say we are British citizen, and as somebody with settled status, and as somebody with indefinite leave to remain, and as somebody with pre-settled, and as somebody with settled status, and as obikra because okay, mikuta 2.5, mini no recourse to public fund, make me qualify now. I don't know individual basis. They will take your specific situation into account. No matter so make to me aboa. But say can nyina bom na nyoma mienu nipa no emiti dia o me refuse no. But be a nipa no emiti in a way but omo no aye wrong assessment with the date. And I say visa or one omo check here no omo nti ase nti omo gina so ka say no you don't qualify because and you don't meet as a home student there. And the omo to me gina so refuse no. Nti nimpa na obehwe ne omo gina so refuse no na ode atoto emra no ho na wa hwe se obetumi etu anamon se obe apele ana.
Oh, okay. Na kyerɛ obeto anamo ahwɛ sɛ obetumi apele. Enti eno okay, eno watra sɛ na kyerɛ sɛ appeal no ɛwɔ kwan akonya wɔ ha obetumi apele. Enti lawyers ma wa ka sɛ obehwɛ so sɛ obɛ apele. Kwan bɛ ne ɛbɛfa so ɛbɛ. Ɔsi yɛ tro de kɔma ɔmo, ɔsɔ de kɔma lawyer. Ana ɔsɛ wa utu ka e de kɔma office hɔ. Ana sɛ den poten sɛ wenhu ya refuse no me gidi say o metro the reason why o ma refuse so if it's because of the residence, I'm very sure some may state also say mbia ye can say unya nationality no and as a residency no ndi mo a me sure some may state reason o mo dey refuse so nti eno sa no upese wa appeal mbia na omo enya bibia according to say na wo nim no na say presentation o dey mo no mbia na omo ehuni yie nti no ugidi say you qualify for it nti so obey sa appeal na kwan ben so na o say we sa appeal no
Yo nti na ewo mni say some refuse wa ombema wo form out ubegina so ana say obeyisu na wo dey aye wa appeal no omeka address nso akere o say uwie a post to call sa address we eso nti ebewo form no so na form no beka akere say fa within with date of birth and in your bi nti just a matter of following the form there was no now I feel in the camera but the woman here o ma refuse nti o ma can reason no akere o nti wo no be state reason a o mo dey refuse o and so o mo dey reject to application no na ne nti a o feel say wo the reason o mo dey ma wo no ento assume na say ento assume dia and the nyina so ben na wo so the reason that for the decision refusal decision why you disagree and your evidence to support the appeal.
yo last mama da say obi questions and for edi bana I say me neighbor me pre na me hwe enti say a we hu na just say you fill the form na ye mfra wo interview bia say bra interview because say wo appeal ye bibi sa enim me boa bibi sa enim
Yo na ewom no and say wo de beko but of course as part of appeal no so mu feel some person mu shia wo na mu bi se nsam bi to understand na ekoso no a ometumi atunsa afrel but omuntu nsa emfrel because why appeal nti we appeal no a ebeko independent ebeko omu nchen appeal team no nchen nti say call at appeal team no nchen a student finance appeal department ho as I say within 5 days no omu confirm say omu saka wa appeal no and within 20 working days no so as I say omu year decision na omu tumi ewie emao na omo ewie no omeka kire say yaje atum anase yenji ntum say omo anja ntum anase bebi omo gina no a wa na omo gina de a ekwan ewo ho say wo de beko another level ayefre no independent assessor na sa independent assessor eye body anase obi a oho a anase nkrofo omo ho a ɔmo bɛhwɛ w'adeɛ no mu impartial. Nti sɛ ɔmo nyɛ nhwehwɛnim bi a ɔmɛyɛ no impartially. Na ɔmo wie a na ɛwɔ mu na ɔmo bɛka akyerɛ wo. Ɛdɛ sɛ ɔmo agree and sɛ disagree with the original decision. Ɔmo ka ɛna sɛ ɔmo wie na still a no baabi a ɔmo so gye tum sɛ ɛyɛ right sɛ ɔmo reject your application sɛ ɔmo refuse your application ɔmama wɔ akenya sɛ wode bɛkɔ the next level. But the next level sɛ wobɛfa lawyer sɛ ɔngyina mu na ɔmfa fight ɛwɔ court ɛkwan so ɛma wo. Nti ɛno no because student finance ɛyɛ independent government agency no enti. So we make a decision bi na nta asuma more or less a public body in a make it side decision no. Into betumi seek review on that. Ewo emra ekwan eso.
Yo, nature says, send ye tibia no o pim na nkwa or se ukohu lawyer na afedi ojinemo ma. Na edru sa breni dia me recommend the BWF Solicitors na omuntumi enginemo ma. Mbrofo ye ni nyina ya brofo tro, won brofo tro no obekɔ school na so terminology bi wɔ hɔ a ya na ye ntiase anase ye nim se ye mfa nkeka ho. Na obia nso na dwuma mu ne terms nti otesa brofo na ase dia no a just can mama them. Gonna go BWF Solicitors. I'll bet to me. I say you made na ma na one sack or student finance na school called ye yeah. Yo last ma meda wasi bebre say enche bia maybe telephone lines no na telephone lines I be dwuma no me producer the two board ne ma me na ma san repeat and abobo so ama etiefo na ahwefo na upese ubisa ubetumi ebisa fa student finance so bia na wo ene student chia mo amaba so no me chia me nua ba Margaret edu Jemfi why ade o si che o share obo hu de ro share Jonathan Benny me boss ba kope Manye Ten. Good morning. Can someone with limited leave to remain for 7 years qualify for student finance lawyers man? Where the question no me exhausted and answer no question ba kwa be bomi yenhwe na yembisa eno bacho wadaroma.
Yo, I say your mouth 2.5 years no. I think me boss earlier on. Your baba condition say we access to public fund and that's we need access to public fund. But as I say access to public fund no support wa aban edema nkrofo a omu nini a omu di bedidi a ye no benefit. And I say baby on meda housing benefit nini akeka ho. Now student finance no o pesika e de atua school fees. Na no aban na ahyehye sa foto no. Na wode ma kromufo ene won a wo qualify. Enti wo question is say no recourse to public fund and that's a recourse to public fund no cover student finance nso ana. Because one a 50-50 and that's a borderline way no. Ubetumi afre student finance company for maybe someone say this is my situation and now person obi betumi your application no with understanding say student finance is also public fund and I have recourse to public fund into my application no we application no mo feel say 2.5 no it does not fall within home aspect no or may refuse no mark and nti ubetumi ni o mo atwen because to you no public fund no include sasika no. To them, no, it does not include it. Until about me acquire copy court, the court determines say student finance include public fund. Nipa way or access to public fund. Therefore, as I said, to me, ebi, but a hono a contentious.
Yo, Mr. Bennett, me jidi say, senior lawyer cheche mu se da so utie yende a obenya the ho asem no na wate ase understanding of it. Yo, etie for maybe a telephone lines no e dey atum na afedie ye di aba question ba ko ba ye na producer and pastor question out the two so would bet me dey ama me na masan boss say ye nua ba Docas a bisa say do mebo but what am I fan? Hold on. I see do skilled migrant in UK qualifies for students finance. Hey, wait there. Me I met me aka say Window ho. Na last man school migrants no more qualify for student finance ana. When you
No,
do afa
because
na o se mo adwuma na onya indefinite sana.
I don't qualify.
Omo qualify mo dey say can is say BBF and benefit bia no. Mo ho kra your question back but yentie ododo for wa ba ho so good morning me do awo ahoma so pa cho e fra na o kasa free.
Good morning. Pastor Femeyao.
Yo.
Me friend from London.
Okay. Pacho bisa
Uh,
question me uncle why?
me pacho, me person me bisa lawyer say, obi minua bi wo leave to remain or watna ha 9 years. Say no or your spousal visa and after the change call ne baso. And but ne or leave to remain.
Okay.
Was so nyanya indefinite but watna krom 9 years. But the card ni so no ya sure no public fund ana won no so no say no when ya school a wobeko na eno no obetime nya access to student loan no and maintenance loan na
Okay, lawyers from Pato Adaroma.
I was a match room that. Obi beside the same question, so could take 2.5. Or bet me I qualify. Unless I give finance, a buying sika, and a benefit in so a buying sika. And no cost, next me in your be. And Omama Missicana me from school. Now, I don't know, Sena Meka, can be contentious because almost a bit me stretch, like I said, student finance, it's little different from day to day benefit. I had the man form of Mudidino. Unhia sika wo de bedidi na mo unhia sika wo de bekɔ school sa na etie de a wo de no ebi a endu hɔ ye but egutumi akwa kopie court na court make sa decision no enti sa nipa no it depends obetumi afresh student finance na wa yes initial inquiry no na ma confirm ya ama no sometimes they will listen to your specific case before you even they do the or put in the application.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Lawyers, my judge say when ya and the line the cry article. Order for one who must Pacho say free me and tonka.
Hello, Mpacho, friend me Gertrude.
Hello, Gertrude.
Mpacho, my question is my application to university na almost based on their fee, normal classifying as international students based on just the fees. Because almost me could in limited leave to remain, which is 2.5. Okay. My friend student finance for no almost say I need to have stayed here 3 years, which I have. And I'm able access to public funds and so. But my question is school na classify as international students, even though say my 3 years, do I still qualify for the student finance?
Yo, lawyers, man, Pacho, me about the question in here.
Yo, unyaba wo ahoma afidie no so.
So,
Me Pacho also.
What's your friend student finance?
Me Pacho.
Mo ka den.
Me catch and say me apply for na university almost fee assessment almost
Then student finance then mo ka kire o.
O catch me say because me live here for 3 years me qualify but he can't say particularly say either say school na class international students me qualify and I should go ahead and apply. That's what he told me.
So this is why I was saying say 2.5 with recourse to public fund a 50-50. You can even see say student finance for now contact on chrono mo sure say ebeye and say enye. So normally you apply and see what will happen. Omo say no, then you can fight it off with them. A bit you could pay court. I said no. No way.
My work okay. Because I can say school international students is more than home students. International students you pay about 13,000. About home students pay 9,250. And can the price deprive me? And I say a price no, it doesn't matter.
Yes, I say ocean so say university for no omo different from student finance for na omoma loans no.
Okay.
Na obi a oye home student no ye hwe ne status. Ukuta indefinite a ye classify as home student. Ukuta British citizenship a ye classify as home student. Ukuta settled status and the EU provisions ye qualify as home student. Now, ukuta pre-settled, the university may classify you as international student. But of course, with the EU provisions, because the student finance, a buying agency ninety, and the EU law, they will not discriminate against EU people. So what you say? Because then it may affect EU provisions. Because treatment, I would EU for no much should be the same treatment. I would UK for much UK or Memono should be the same treatment. I would EU for much UK and or Mebusia for. Entina Sankro for no yedi or Mabeka way, but university no a public institution, a private institution. And to no ocean say it has said ukuta a settled status and I say ukuta citizenship and I say ukuta national citizen. Now, as I say, when we say what your application was, sometimes they even ask you question. Say your country and I say your nationality and who live where would the work room ha. Enti who cry no we declare ama won say information with the ama won no you are international student and of course you are international student but as to whether ubenya sika and as a bosia e dey atua school fees no enye university no asem and your student finance for na won you nti say student finance if you say sika no a wutua no school fees na wutua no too much nti ye ntumi fa ni nyina ama wo a no meye no say o mehwe no metumi di aboa wo if they think say you qualify.
Okay. Me got you. Me that's the part.
Yes, yeah. Mommy, what share your program no?
Bye, my share.
Share mommy, why? Na and the what GM reni bebre. Share nyamen shra.
Bye.
Yo, them say course na ban but me or voice note and so aha mangogwa e number bo me. Pamocho mama fa no mon to mo bo ase mama why me sre mo. Na okay, what was so no patro e fra say na o kasa frame.
Morning, Menya. Me being the Monica.
Monica.
Especially with lawyer question, but it's not about student finance. No, if it's
problem.
okay.
No problem.
Question is, Mrs. Star. Sorry. Wow, 8 months me na. Ne na o ne wo no. Omo new together or percentka omo ye application no based on Accra ye chesh.
Okay.
Senko will base you on Accra no nanka. Yeah. Na since Accra 8 months na more the better say or how Accra life me I don't know. Me catch and said here say bia on the Accra ko ni sa ne money one but Accra ni sa go to school. And in your mother and obetini their support an application, first of all. And secondly, so when man address me or non address me that if you pakum a bear problem and I say would you not cry instead of Obanoso. As a family.
Yo, Asmah, Yanya Bani plan you or say what an engine now, Chamonim Casa. I saw I was so.
Yo, enti ye nua be me ane maame no omoti ebom meboa na wokan.
Aye.
From letters and I say proof of address na ye wo no e kire say omoti bom. Na ye nua be ye application no say ohwe ne ba na ne ba ne ti baby na no so ti baby sa na tie.
I'm
so Accra so tifiabo be santi.
Okay, so there are two things. And now omo mesi mienu ni nyina. First one is say bema no akwala ne papa ti baby and akwala ne maame nso ti baby ana sa na tie dia papa no be direct access application. ɛhɔ no na papa no ɛsɛ sɛ approve sɛ ɔhwɛ ne ba no
Sir.
ɛhɔ no na ɔde school ne GP letters ɛbɛba na maame no so de letter atoa so sɛ ɛyɛ no korɛ ɔhwɛ ne ba no na mmom nya ɔne ne ba no na ɛte ɛne yɛ point 1 nso ɔbɔ biribi so sɛ me onya onko school na kyerɛ sɛ to me no ɔpɛ sɛ approve sɛ ɔhwɛ ne ba ɛhɔ na because ne ba no ti baby basa ne ba no nti baby ne ba no ne ma ɔne na ɛte na ɔne ɔmaame ɔmo mmiɛnsa nyinaa ti bɔ mu di a ɛne deɛ ɔbɛyɛ application not under direct access ɔbɛyɛ application still a ɔbɛgyina ne ba no so na ɔbɛyɛ but ɔne ɔmaame akwala no maame na ɔmo ti bɔ mu bi ɔmo nware yɛ na mbom ɔmo te sɛ awarefoɔ
Sir.
nti na ayɛ home office for ɛyɛ ne sɛ so ɔmo hu ne saa ɔmo tumi de wotu parent so anaasɛ ɔmo tumi de wotu partner so it doesn't really matter ne nyinaa no yɛde bɛma wo sɛ under 10-year route no
Eso.
nti wo na wobɛhwɛ situation no sɛnea wo deɛ no ɛteɛ
Application no.
ɔmo nyinaa mo ti bɔ mu deɛ a ɛndeɛ because evidence a wode bɛba no yɛbɛbisa sɛ akwalaa no ɛte he
Sir.
nti sɛ akwalaa no te he deɛ a akwalaa no proof of address ɔde bɛba no a ɛkyerɛ baabi a akwalaa no ɔne ɔmaame ɛte no sɛ the same address na papa no so de papa no nyɔma no so ɔde bɛba no the same address na ɔde bɛba deɛ a na ɛndeɛ yɛ obi na ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nyinaa te bom because address no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo te bom saa na ɛkyerɛ deɛ a yɛntreatiw sɛ wohwɛ wo ba nti wogyina wo ba so ayɛ application yɛbɛtreatiw sɛ family unit a mo nyinaa mo te bom.
Okay.
That's the only difference. Unless there's something different went to me anchor. Why? Now in terms of
na mini aba no onam kwasa oja aware.
Oh, so bibi we tie. Bibi we chere biom e ka ho a untumi mbo ni dwa. Don't worry. But more than senior be ya uncomplicate omo tie no because lawyer be chere mu senior o ka no ba se bibi kakra wo mu dia. Mesre na free office ho wa ho. And say book just telephone conversation e wo consultation sorry. Na we chere mu ni o ma hye ni nyina why? Yedase. Bye. Na baby odi fana meti ase pa na enya ne nyina na obetumi de abetu dwa enti no eya na ya fra ho ntoma kakra adofo ma page na nso mesra ma membo me voice note na nyesa omo aja messages me nye fair to them yo yentie ye nua be me ye.
Good morning, Lawyer Charles. Good morning, Manjati. Jiri Senyamiand Mohoya. Pacho me busa question yama, Madam Fubi, or filling an application to renew the visa quite recently. Now, I say, or nini yire jai be nearly 20 years ago. And or for Francis or Peso Kofano, eba. No fill a form, no. Omu busa ne ex-wife no date of birth. Ya onkai. Oso ya hwehwe pepesi bia mu so obehu. Ne ex-wife no so ni contact bi anti ohunu de ontro nhye ho no nti osrese bia kwa bi ho a obetimi de aya obetimi abo a ko pese onya ho bi direction bi nti edmas nyame nhyiram bye.
Yo, bye. Asmah, asem we dear. Where's fight dear? Ukonya ni date of birth na unka e be yiro. Asmah, futo be ne de wa enua be me.
yo na ne wo me say ba ifidie so ye be kan sene amra no etie. Na say the moment wo de be call fact no. Fact is say asam no. Nipa yi asam o de brain eye bibia efa obi ho.
Sa.
Nipa yi so or different. Inti lawyer into me into me enkaka ne timu enkaka asama efa ne yire dadai ho to send the date of birth. Ya bra lawyer ekura onim ne yire dadai. Nti ya be yedin, I'm a lawyer. Why?
Yo, yeah, that's other for wow, my son. Pacha, okay, say friend, me, okay, say enough. My king can me messages are banning so now almost when you're Musheka. Pacha, my auntie.
Yo, good morning, Manye Ten.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
Lawyer Asmah. Eunice Mohoye.
Yeah, who you pa?
My question is, Mimi Abako or British,
Okay.
Okofa Nere, and then the Mammy and Samba.
Okay.
Na a drew or more renewal. Nti Opeso Busa say, and Kwana 2 years, a Wahanum. Obeti me go ahead. Na wire naturalization among Korana. Na a reduce cost. Send a bill with me renew a renewal application. And now say, and no, what is the best solution? Everything me aboa na man reduce the cost because I'm
Okay.
kind of the 2 years we had that.
Yo, Mati said, and yeah, Obin Subeka said, you prioritize the one I don't want to so na. Anyway, last man, Pacho, only penny, Pacho, if you to Benny, be my any abemi.
Yo, papa no wadan. You know if you didn't so answer the voice note never.
Oh yeah, British.
Papa no you British.
Yeah.
Na ngala ne dia he.
Was in 2 years?
12, 10, 8.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. I'm 4. Okay. Right. Nkala no abakrum habet na ha 2 years. Na opapa eye efe ne sen British. Enti yenim time a papa no be British. Na yenim time owo nkwala no. Enti
Oh, one
because
can be British.
owo nkwala no before be British.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what you can do is say with me ehu lawyer. Lawyer be share specific information na nipa no ewo no. Na wa hwe say obetumi aboa nkwala ne bi ama ya register one because omo wo krum ha na omo abetena krum ha that at least 2 years no na time ya wo na opapa British citizen and I say settled no and I say even after that no say ya wo no papa na be settled no lawyer be hwe na we hu kwan ya obeboa nkwala no why
Okay.
Pacho, yo.
Yo.
Yeah, that's why.
Yo,
Share program name my why? Facebook
Mati.
ne so, any YouTube hono. Why?
Mati.
That's it.
Yo, that's it.
Yo, yentie we nso na ansa na o say bibi yentie no.
Good morning, my Yeti. Me Pacho Bisa lawyer Asmah mami. Me na minya a care job, sponsorship. And I me application no me nkwa, but me wayore. Minya me nkwa no, and because of sika 70. Me apply ne and me visa no. After minya visa no we no, and me sign sika bi say me sign sika nti sika me ya no pese me bisa lawyer say metimi aya ama me yore na na anati se me ba UK ansana later no ma ya ama me kohwe no me da se.
Oh, papa, not just waba you not just minim se wo kasa free UK and se wo kasa free Ghana. Na me gye de sɛ once a wenye sika bi deɛ ba me so betumi apply sɛ wotie yɛ nko ade a we deɛ me ma lawyer Asmah kran kasa wenya sika bi deɛ a na wobetumi apply na me nim nipa ko nso ma o yɛ ka ne sɛn skill we no COS na ɔde yɛ care work no ɔde recruit wo no edu maintenance side na me nim ne nipa ko no kyerɛ yɛ nti a wohia sika sometimes we nyinaa wobɛsɛ technical we bi ɛwɔ mu a ɔsɛ wohu nti sɛ afɛ na wenye sika na yes wobɛtumi apply ama oyere no ɛne o ma no nyinaa ɛde aba I believe sɛ bia na wo ka statement na you have to get an amount of money 28 days prior to the application me sure sɛ no na wo refer to sɛ wenya de a na 28 na aba 28 days na aba wobɛtumi ayɛ application ama ɔmo sɛ bia na company na recruit when click maintenance hɔ no ɛno nti na ɛbɛma na aba saa ana lawyer Bibi ka crowd be kan wo ha manana.
I'm saying nine chimuna na ode amano.
Yo, me da se. Odo for wa ma so mpacho me yente onka.
Pacho yo, Madam Ase. Lawyer Asmah, my wife applied for student loan.
Okay.
Now, refuse, say we need 3 years for her.
Okay.
Now, based on the timer, or apply for the card, and I don't know what it is. Yeah, no more change. Our sister, a call independent assessor, one or no. And yet, date now, they used to card and they start minimum. Starting when the home office a cultural setting certainty into a winning case. In a winning case, happy to almost say, almost who say, we try 20 years and son or more a discount man. It's your evidence exchange with you have 20 years or somewhere. Oh, anyway. Anyway, we've been able to, because now those times online or back on the address and one is in the or the court, and also almost say 3 years view a woman, I had the coin and a land law and a issue or more accepted. Finally, Ubia or say a review. And from this stage, they are any view.
You. Let's man pacho.
Me pacho you know what dey so.
Oh, so.
Me pacho et saying
Oh, what they are to say
yeah,
here?
because obi aje so oye review. I wanted to know obi kro.
What they are to so. Odo for our phrase say
Why? So I mean there are stages. One, ebeko independent assessor or say independent assessor ashe. And now still no decided in their favor. And now student finance for still they be omo still. And sana tia dia and yet omo NSS omo ye bibi. Student finance for na say omo fight against independent assessors decision because they are no akwa ekodi omo e court mu. So they have to and also obi aji so your review meaning so them they common lawyer bill somewhere I just don't know. That's what I wanted to clarify. And so also the way to have freedom. Otherwise we'll hang the question for now.
yo. Me da se
Pacho
last.
Manya Masaba.
Oh, I don't know asaba no yo. Nti why na
Sorry,
so
but
no?
student finance for na nkasa omjama I assess a bit on also enfim.
Eyo manka so ma assessor.
Pacho I.
Okay.
Now also open say what can you do?
Yes, after say onu ye na assessment ni it depends on the outcome or the beba.
So what can you do? You go to court.
Okay, that's what I want to know. Yeah.
Yo, me wa questions kakra nso wa ye da se papa share my and why.
Yo,
Questions
Matthew.
kakra wa ha na any me call Facebook ne nso ba me kan we answer. Say good morning lawyer Asmah, good morning Manyeti. Or say please, is it true that the 10-year rule to British nationality if you have been an overstayer has been scrapped? Hey, rumor dear, rumor. Oh, yo, last man pa. Ye twetwe no menu bi say mo ana.
Baby.
Yo.
Stay here. It's what's not had 20 years. Now what's not 20 years in the SWA. It's what's not so 10 years because I said we had 2.5, 4 times. By 10 years. After that, now we move on. Now, I consider a nationality test, Say can not obi omo even though we at Chrome have 5 years, we been indefinite because of kind of fast world in your nadia no so could 10 years answer. And one of my review said no. So nipa no could indefinite leave. Now we cross it 5 years residence. Now what's not indefinite in 1 year there. Then rather than waiting for 10 years, or more they are about 5 years because under schedule 1 of section 6 of the British Nationality Act, other countries say who apply for naturalization, as I say we show 5 years residence test. In the 5 years residence, no more cutting across, or more standardize it, I'm obia. Into when I say what's number 5 years when you're indefinite in the data. But so we really dear, you have to wait till say ubenya we indefinite. It is an independent indefinite there. Then what is the person doing with naturalization?
Okay, last my that say yetie naturalization nature say okwa akoye na yesi be B1 life skills na yeah obetumi a consult to KT ed consult for metela more tailored questionnaire okwa some questions na ne BBC bisa na de betumi ne wa femu na ye no femu mprenu mprensa obewu be confident na okwa na etumi e de ama dan obi ka chem say na say ne de life skills de na enye de na misi o no krese enye de nanso se bi mo so kọ pepepe ekofeli maame ba kwa ye kire na nsen sebi o ka se cam kra na onim adekode e friend cam nti obi se na o se onkotro nationality B1 na okotena obroni na obeka se what is your name no nim adeban a o hwa obe feli anase obe pass na che so obe didi ni 2.5 ne so saa de ko yo enti bibia yesua nyam ho nimde na ye de to anamo madam ase na yenko yen Facebook ne so yenua Daniel Wealth bisa say what if you come as a carer? Can you switch to become a nurse? Daniel, what do you mean you are no? Say, oh, ye nurse that every Ghana now the buyer akwenya wo ho nanso enye straightforward. Enye den so few things I say we ye say trotron so bi ansa na otro ne nyina so hwe miensa na obetro otro ne nyina na opass dia obetumi switch it to nurse. Why? Na untumi mba as carer now eho na we say me switch it to nurse. No. Nursing route ewo ho na carers route wo ho. Opese pursue nursing route na no kwan da ho. It doesn't matter if you are just a carer and now or other way there be. But who nursing background from Ghana, you qualify as a nurse ewo Ghana dia akwenya wo ho a obetumi. Se open more details abomodia ye wie program na after 3 o'clock obetumi afre 07596620154 metumi achichiro mo sine ebe ya ebekọ ye ni me gini say lawyer Asmah oni me be ya adwene ewa ha yenhwe another question so obisi how do I qualify oh Margaret ye da se na wa na o ka topic no sine ebe ya nkrofo ebenya nimde yo question bi nso eda menim lawyer Asmah ye wo mmeka kra question bi eda menim yo Osi thank you Osi thank you for answering. I was on 10-year route and switched to 5 years. I have now completed my 5 years and I have indefinite leave. So I wanted to know if I can apply for British nationality after my 1 year indefinite instead of waiting for extra 3 years to reach the 10 years. In fact, on the question or no? Say unya near me kinka any dia.
You nyentia you switch it to 5 years and say a be shorten or Jenny no. So we switch here to 5 years route now. 2.5, then you finish your journey. You apply for indefinite. You see why you indefinite leave to remain. What's not so I don't know how long I what's not so. But Imran said 5 years residence, legal residence, plus 1 year of indefinite leave. You can apply for naturalization.
Yo lawyer so me da se nana akua ose bonso bisa se oye skill worker wo kromu ha na obetumi de ne ba we di 16 years 4 months old akaho aye we no dia brena na se me de mi se onya 18 ko ade a oda so ya akwala enti no lawyer Asmah yes and no straight ne enko
Yes with the proviso.
Yes with what?
A proviso. So the proviso is conditions.
Conditions were okay.
Edi kan akwala no akwala oni 18 nti obetumi apply amano na oni na ba na so aba join no. Na mom ne ewo woni say ese o prove say akwala no papa oni ne share akwala no amatumi say akwala no betumi move efi baby owo no. So ono so approve say akwala no ebe better say ye be move na efi baby owo no aba baby foforo ana. So prove say akoba say papa no eye ntwintwi bi a so o makwan a ono maame no ewo sole responsibility and say automatic absolute decision making power. Say obe decide say akwala no me move na efi baby ote no akọ baby fufuro. And so prove say wanya arrangement oba akwala no ba obetumi ahwe no ye. So ye juma, how will you make provisions say obehwe akwala no? And say baby akwala so betena baby a no ma minute no ate san akwala no ba obetumi ye baby atena na so ohwe ni nyina. But ukofa akwala ba krom ha so na da na ye kire mu no aya na test no and say requirement no very very tough. Nti ese dey approve sa no meeting requirement ni na answer even though you no an ba no wetumi akwafa no. Yes sir, won beka say dey bi akwala no e better so betena baby a owo no. Nti ha no ebe hia bebre say yes application a obepe lawyer na lawyer no aboa no ade atoto mra no.
Asmah obi was so but nipa answer na mere be fi question me ntroye say ye can say sa obi ji ode ne beba afe ne ba no mu wenya 14 years afe no mo kwa akoye birth set all kana misi o sa birth set na ye a afe ne ye afe ne ye a odi kwa yes why ye na mom e na ehun nsem wo ho mpacho okay 14 years of work na afe no kwa akoye birth set say e ne ba odi ne ba abrochim Asmah we de mo amoye lawyers no de asembe send how betumi akafa ho
Emra bia ni ho a eka o akwala no a untumi register ne birth.
Okay.
Maybe ani wasa.
Okay.
And the birth certificate no ye government of another country or ye ne no issue is there. Untumi nka say nya papa. But you see, there's more of common sense approach. I would say you can your work akwala within 1 year no they are register the birth.
Sir.
What does say a single parent and say both parents you register the birth of the child. Now once akwala no ya wona ya register no eho but uko mindful from musu a etumi wo akwala no and because of how system no empty ya ni ho e hye nkrofo say me nko register me ba no
Okay.
aban no abehye wo say you have to go through the process. But uko baby a aban no nhye wo say go through the process wo ti ho a na wa say me kwaye ade we titru say wo mfa nye bibia it feels say there's no point. But to answer any question no what's na akwala na atena say 14 years I feel you call understand the birth if I'm rekwan mu ana yes if I'm rekwan mu on ba ja tu ana o metumi akese o mu ngi ntum adenti na wa ma na atwe 14 years ansa I feel na wo call register so open aba abrochire enti ana then e kire say akwala no kra no eye oba enti either way no to simplify the matter no betumi aye say na banko ade a betumi akwa DNA atweso
Sir.
say unim bibi I will do DNA and I will do the birth certificate. So almost the birth certificate omo ngin there DNA no there there's no way out. Then you come outside.
Okay. Yo, let's my dasimo next question but odofo wa homa so pacho kafra why yeah frost na o ka say friend o pekra embo within obetumi bisa question no
Me pacho me dase. Me pacho me pese me bisa lawyer se obi de spousal visa back home hana bia echie no bia ne spouse ne pese wo beye krata na mani biom na wo de fa ne mba so a se obi omo ma miensa na wo de fa ne mani so na watne mani so ko ne mani so route ni for 10 years but nipa no watna kromase bia next year no nya 10 years eno no obitimi aye age indefinite sa 10 years ni do a anase ese wo konkla ni route ni na what it requires no.
Hey. Yo, Asmah. Pacho wasumo. Pacho answer ne mami.
Right. So now a woman said there's continuous legal residence.
Yes.
Continuous legal residence. Nti obeka ni nyina abom na we say what's na oman no mu 10 years. So what's na oman no mu 10 years Mrani says, what's now mine 10 years, to me apply for indefinite leave to remain. In John no sharing away who say, me used to be waha, me used to be waha, me used to be waha, me canning in abumwa. Na me used to ni na no, and mammy aquenya, me debet me account one, say mammy aquenya, me to me the account dear, would ni na be boom. Na waka say when you're 10 years, in Taffy dear, who apply for indefinite leave to remain. Say nipa no ntia see and that's on yes sure, or han obet me who lawyer. Na lawyer na atina say aya calculation. Na waji evidence no. Na waye wabuano manaye an application. Not the letter just so amano.
Okay. Yedasi ono de atoso. Mre na ye kwa na ekọ na mema yenuaba lawyer Deborah so abecheche mpoto kasa no nansa no obeba no lawyer question baako ewa ha. Okay, mema ne ho kwan na ombebisa ombeka ne de no kawie a me de one question be film na afie de dwumedie no abewie. Nti lawyer Deborah mama watena se atwen. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Please can you give us the topic in the English version for us? Thank you.
Thank you, Naa. So today we looked at the topic of, do I qualify for student finance and how do I appeal if my application is refused? So there are two requirements, the residence requirement and the nationality requirement. So the nationality requirement means that you either need to be an EU citizen or a family member, be a British citizen, or have indefinite leave to remain. And then the residence requirement is that you're supposed to have lived here for 3 years up to the date of your application for student finance. So if you don't meet these two requirements, the likelihood of them refusing your application is high. But sometimes as well, they may assess your application wrongly, and so they may get it wrong. So if that's the case, then yes, you can certainly appeal. How the appeal process works is that usually they'll send you the reason for refusing, and they will attach a form, which is the form which you will state the reason for refusal, why you feel like you should not have been refused, and then any evidence to back that. And then you would send it to the address that is stated on the form. So that form will then go to the appeal Department of Student Finance England. They will look at it and then they'll decide within 20 days whether they made the wrong decision. If they still feel like the decision was right to refuse you, then it will then go to an independent body who will take a look at it. They can also invite you for an interview, but that is not guaranteed. It just depends on, it's on a case by case basis. So yeah, that's a brief summary of what was learned today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Elia Deborah. Yes, very soon ye did dwumadie no baby ye nanso no me question back ha membo na afede na ya kai final words.
Hello, my team morning. Pacho, my question we come a lawyer. Pacho be san man why. My brother no nya sponsorship letter obey care job no. Nti ode ne partner ever. Nti mpese me bisa ne say ne partner no obetwia national health insurance we surcharge na ontua, but also no mate say ono so de ontua obetwia application fee no kwa. Nti ne dependent no ne yere na me bisa say ono so betwia health surcharge na ontua. Mpacho me question no ane no. Mpacho me das pa nya me shiramo. Bye.
Questions ni bo ha nkrofo bi say na ye me say o ntantie in program no but ne nse bia ontie mpacho oyere no ontua o dependent no ontua bi why enti no sa na tie se wutie mi a o dependent no ontua bi emi say tie na ye koyenim. Yes, and that topic I share ye say afen no abeka ye ho a and that topic I pensemo do I qualify for student finance na in bia my application na, and how do I appeal if my application is being refused, then I'll be and then lawyer Asmah actually when they qualify to get the finance, kwan I'll be fast I'll be how I'll be application no any mrimpo I'll be to me application and fence so ban say you refuse baby or the be fa ubenya na omedi asema ma na pim so I feel bit to me they are my lawyers because na mbia na baby no front and back na back and forth no untumi bioma na they are my lawyers mo de mo gine mu a na ohun say definitely ebekọ yi e de ama unless asem no na say eye no a na eye low na say you don't simply qualify for it. Ain't no moma yentrim ben BWF Solicitors for keep the numbers no a trap was here a emergency number no obetumi afre you can say office line here 0208 493 7340 obetumi afre na we book appointment and found the baby our men casemity Scotland into no mean to me ember all the way to London 7 Sisters Abontin so there be or more telephone consultation or more video consultation or made to me baby I will be a bit to me afro na ibisa wasem no even crowd per WhatsApp video cry bit me afro WhatsApp video ni bisa honsam ni nyina ebi wo ho na eba say or say odi document and now be bia ba wo de wontumi mpom ba frame me ameba ukrumo ho ama be fa documents no dia come let's dia ma just o mo akwenya all the way you can and they can access your documents and so now FFF different ways and a digital be media be akwenya de bebre and na hot na asem no yet kojopo and ra no be catch me say ni odaso onye ni pre-settled nti no obisa kwan be no betumi de aye na me si dewura ya bo dewura na wote he na he na wo na che se me de na me wanwa se onye preset kra onye bio nti onim ne eko na che se ensam no still ano entumi mpia enkwa ekiri wa wutie mi wa wohwe mi hwan na wa hye de ama no mom ye nhye ne enkwa ekiri lawyer obi se ni sisi ano den na obeye ono a oni presettled oti krom hanso say onim ne e kone fare ba wakɔhye kura bi ase na oni Ghana ni bie ni asɛm na no de ɔhye ho pode me kopie ni so lawyer afi me hu asɛm a bɛka kyerɛ no ye hu obi sa no kwan bɛ ne bɛboa no
yo I'm saying nipa we you ni and I say you asini whatever it is no I'm rather say you want crofobia through no fault of theirs bi ana omunko suku nti omunim ne ekoso bi so mu ana omo some challenges bi obi kura mo onimu until say employer akasa kwa for card bra no as a card ben na say yes obi anko ye bi unim also me de minimo na ehwa na ni baba no so and there are remnants of cases like that in this one pano so na etia dia untu tumrika sisi ana onim say say oye no say oye it is on one by na de and as a lawyer by amano now maybe sense adenti na so obi anto na more by 30th of June 2021 I would ya win ye na ya ma o nyina so no bebre na wadu we you back efim so we dey na practical reason a wo beka say ye dey go to prison afi na wa ba wo beka whatever it is no wo beka na what the evidence no aka ho e ho na lawyer betumi ahwe na wa ye na kama ama o I mean there are cases like that aya nkofo basa na ye ama wo obi kura mo a okwa akoye ne naturalization obey application na aka chen say na wo kra no ufi EU ase na wo ba ye unye EUSS ade na wo be naturalization na o ma kan say kwaye ansa wa ba you see nti obi onye ye no ekwan wo ho bo modern na mom hwe say lawyer betumi atia ehu na wa boa wo e wo sa ekwan no so nti aka ekiri so enka ekiri bebre why now yes
sorry yeah be na Kate Muzu Tony be ebisa my question I can't see your question. I don't know if my producer can see Kate's question somewhere. Okay, or say I got my indefinite through EU route. Do I have to cite for life to sit okay well life in the UK test please I just got my indefinite leave to through EU route. Inti lawyer, we obetro UK life in the UK test ni biana.
your life in the UK na your crofo amo per se or more naturalization, UK citizens.
Okay.
You say, we plan, so we sad, dear, no quadia, as I say, we are life in the UK test, because a life in the UK test is compulsory. Near a year, Niger woman say, life in the UK, no, what try to and say, to bet me out to work with the time I'll be ready, no way you sue.
Okay.
The answer is yes.
Okay, Kate. So I believe you've understood what lawyer says. Maybe Awudino doesn't show you may understand the tree language, but yes, you can. If your intention is to become a British citizen, then yes, you have to do the life in the UK test. Other than that, I don't think it's necessary. But if you want to become a British citizen, yes, of course, you have to. Yo, lawyer, say aha na ede dwumadin bebe wie Lydia B Owusu, can you apply for top up maintenance loan? Now the no we di nyina na opet top. But chomedi be yes reason, but lawyer who answer no ya na afi wa my last note ne asori ko.
Yo, maintenance loan means tested. Means tested. School fees, and I say tuition loan, it's set in stone. Because admission back actually fees, be a 20,000, 16,000, whatever. I don't know school fees, so we apply, so pending now say ube loan, you apply for the full fees. But maintenance loan, and yet for the fee, so it is based on your personal circumstance. Nti bia we first na we circumstance different. Nti bia mama £1. We circumstance assessor, so you are going for a top up. Yes, you can apply for a top up when you are renewing your application for the next time. That's the second year. Into those are the bits and pieces as I say as here. But yes, you can apply for top up when the time comes.
Yo, lawyer, that's say did you mediano abewie. What meant to me be so question? Nyame adomochna, we have the community and the law. I will transfer your questions there for it to be asked. Na lawyer be no. BWF solicitors na any omudi dwuma we hwe BWF solicitors are more fourth floor and a house. 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road. So it was 7 sisters. Now open postcode, and in case you are driving or you want to locate them, is N154NP. Make note of this, N154NP. Take the numbers, store it. Now, in case of anything, now you can call the emergency line on 0771276184. Please make sure you have this number on your phone. You can contact them 24/7. Somebody will answer you. Lawyer Asmah Mpacho, what will you leave us with today for the whole week before we see you again?
Yo, for ne ashafo and nso yesua adze afa student finance ho na no yebisa ye ho de aso student finance no mesre bia wadze ba mam ana na so wamfa mam so a mayedan na mehwan apem do na wasesa ho na adwen na yeta ase de nyama ebien na owo de ehu na ehyan nso odzikan de iye obi a eti UK omanumu na atenem afe ebasa another 3 years ansa na ebekọ akaya application no so ndu mfe ebasa za aya wonje intum dem na modzikan nso archard nso obi a oye UK citizen another obi okita indefinite leave to remain another obi a ofi EU another EU asenya otse UK omenum na hona okita 2.5 no a bia one bado another wokundo no na wenyi no recourse to public fund no aya nho so wo hwe hwane na wo dzeboa one but ono no it depends on them impanangasa ne situation na yehu de sabetum aya na waja tumi da aje de course na reye no ye academic course na so ye academic course da aya wonje ntum dem na o da course no so eya no once nti sa aya course ni bi dada na saraka je foforo aya won peda wo di loan ba ma o try there o ba expect da ba ye foforo na sa aya application na wo refuse nso a kwana wo hwan de form na wo de ma wo no ba fill the form na the call address a wada model post to call no edo na form na nyoma bebre a wada a church wodo no or that ni nyina ehun anu yi ezeto form no do na tituru de nyina do a wogina do a wakade won fa ade no ma no of boni friend no decision reasons no or the etro ewo wo form no do na ba dinti ina inhwan inye adwen ba dinti ina re challenge one decision no or the ebo modern na edeka ho na engineer do a ewo a isusun de decision a wada ma no anfa no kwanum a boni friend no supporting evidence no or the edeka ho na din nyina de kama ho de kwa within 5 working days no or the hu imwaye babro wa ka the one sa kana washum na 20 working days nso no was the imwaye final was the babro na wa ka de washum na imwaye a ho yini say wo ba jatum another one jintum no wo ba ka kyerɛw so wan jantum a botum akɔ da kama nkrofo foforo mo ahwema ama ayefa won independent assessors say independent assessors so wo hwe na still anu wo kan de wan jintum a botum da akɔ court na court nso ahwɛ ama ibi kopie court na se wan ye da na kyerɛ de mara na ɔte nti ene nkomo a yedi no student finance no botum aye na se area hwede e qualify ansana ezo ho akahiem de area student loan ye wo tuition na ye wo maintenance na tuition no na ho nda yedi ho nkomo no maintenance no so different nti ha na yedi nkomo no besi ye do bibiara se de nya kwan na bai ochina nso ye be share wo community and the law yedi nkomo de baba ohia pa titiri obi owo ha na wa cancel no visa no hu mo ye no ochina ye bezi dam nkomo no ti bommaden obofo a tweberen na ye mbɔ nkomo na hineyi enje ye chair obi biara. Have a very good Friday.
Thank you, Lawyer Asmah. Thank you. What's the tribani na yenzum komo na yeba kansama o ye dewo de. Lawyer Asmah ma ka menana efo bejem ma afi why. Yo, etiefo ne ahwefo ye de dwumede no abewie yes. Minna ankoma ibisa question di but na me hu the main tias ya papa ntina main bisa no but nyame adom ochna mebisa wo the community and the law say na tie na mbia na obe type be the account na me hu because it looks like it's an uncompleted question na yentumi entiase yi na apart from that no it's for community and the law be baso ochna mediani manyeti megide say enem pense mo aye efa student finance say o qualify na ya ube de na obe ebe ya o be qualify na fe wa ye nso na ya refi so a den na obeye no megide say wenya mo ntiase na obetumi edi ato anamo Prophet Ben Eje Duncan, thank you very much for coming on board to with us this morning. Nana Ekia Osebo nso me da se Kate and Toyi, thank you. Mina Lydia also thank you. Mama ba so nyina nyame nhramo me kasa me bobodi na edoso Alex Oredu, thank you. Now bisa question bi ba me jidi say Lawyer Asmah eyi ano wo honom say is it classify as public funds na lawyer eyi ano fefefe e wo honom na nyame maya dom ochna yebeshia. Apart from that, have a lovely week, stay blessed na obesa atien kamediani manyeti. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.